And now, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Good morning, Sea Lions. Welcome to the Sea Lion Splash.
Hey Sea Lions, I'm here with fourth grader Jonathan Hanna to talk to students about the importance of Unity Day.
What are you trying to stop on Unity Day?
Bullying.
Can you tell us why you're wearing orange?
To say boo to bullying.
What are some ways to celebrate Unity Day?
You can make new friends and say hi to everyone you see.
Hey Corey, what do you do if you see someone being bullied?
I go to him and then I tell the bully to stop doing it.
Solomon, do you know any ways to celebrate Unity Day?
Standing up for people and don't bully anybody.
What can you do to stop bullying?
Change the conversation and change what they're talking about.
Liliana, what can you do to stop bullying?
I can help another friend and say, hey, do you want to come play with me instead of that bullier?
What are you trying to stop on Unity Day?
Bullying.
Sawyer, do you know any facts about Unity Day?
Yeah. Because, if you have orange and you see someone bullying, just ask them to stop.
Hey Annabella, can you tell us some ways to celebrate Unity Day?
Be kind to others. If they're alone, give them a helping hand.
Can you tell us why you're wearing orange?
Today we're wearing orange because don't be a bully.
Bye.
Welcome to the Sea Lion Splash.
Hi parents! Today we're excited to reveal McGaw's very own brag tags. Brag tags are fun, collectible tags that celebrate your child's outstanding attendance. Sea Lion leader Bronson Segura and I are going to walk you through how to easily attach them to your backpack. Let's get started. Each McGaw student will receive their very own brag tag and a high-quality threaded cable to hold your collection. Don't worry, it's super easy to put them all together. To attach a brag tag, simply thread the cable through the hole in the top of the tag. Then, secure the cable by twisting the end. These cables make it simple to connect your collection of brag tags to just about anything, but the backpack is the most popular choice. Now, all you have to do is find a convenient spot on your child's backpack, like a zipper or side loop, and put that cable right around it. You could easily add more brag tags as your child earns them, creating a fun collection that shows off their outstanding attendance. Each student at McGaw can earn a brag tag each month by having outstanding attendance. Students can earn brag tags by having no more than one absence for every 20 days of school. There have already been 47 days of school, so we're going to give out 2 exclusive tags this week.
This is Sea Lion leader Bronson Segura with this week's announcements. Progress reports are now available to view on Eliminate. Instructions are in this week's McGaw Connects. We want to thank the entire McGaw community for supporting the PTA Carnival and silent auction last weekend. It was spooktacular. Parent conferences continue on Monday. That means we're dismissed from school early at 12:30 on Monday. Get ready to celebrate, Sea Lions. Miss Wood and Mr. Larson will be visiting classrooms all week long to hand out your brag tags for outstanding attendance. Sea Lion chorus rehearsal was on Tuesday at 7:20 in the morning. Pageant rehearsal was on Thursday at 2:30. Thank you so much, Sea Lions. Have a fantastic week.
Welcome to the carnival.
Yeah!
Universal Transitional Kindergarten.
Let's kick it off with a Rawbuck from UTK from Miss Tochioka's class. Congratulations to Olsen Fox. Olsen was a great listener and is always trying his best. He's always a professional student. Great job, Olsen.
Kindergarten.
Miss Ray wants to say congratulations to kindergarten student Atreyu Hernandez. She says that Atreyu is a hard worker and takes his time to complete his work neatly. Thanks so much, Atreyu, for being a school leader.
First grade.
Mrs. Lupescu wants to shout out first grader Wiley Powers. She said that he was being honorable while being patient during handball. He helped another student practice hitting the ball. Way to go, Wiley. Thanks for being on your best behavior out on the field.
Second grade.
Miss Wood wants to shout out second grader Zane Spolansky. She said that Zane was an upstander at the lunch tables today. He reminded other sea lions that we all have differences and we all need to be respectful. Way to go, Zane.
Third grade.
Congratulations to third grader from Miss Aniceto's class, Ryland Walker. Riley helped a classmate with a missing assignment on Google Classroom. Thanks for being a tech wizard and a class leader.
Fourth grade.
Dr. Arias wants to shout out fourth grader Nicholas Aguilar. He said that Nicholas taught the class new math strategies. He did a terrific job helping and checking in with his classmates. We appreciate you, Nicholas, for your math skills as well as your good behavior.
Fifth grade.
Finally, we want to say thank you to fifth grader from Miss Alvarado's class, Jaylene Flores. Mrs. C says that Jaylene spent the last few minutes of her lunch tidying up the entire wellness center and throwing trash away that wasn't even hers. Way to go, Jaylene. Thanks for taking care of our facilities. And
Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have a great day. Bye.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye!